October 26th. You are watching Catanduanes TV is here to celebrate today. This is Catanduanes Foundation Anniversary Padadyaw sa Tinampo, the Catanduanes Pantomina version, and we have 10 municipalities competing for this year. 10 out of 11 municipalities are participating this year, and this is contingent number 8, Municipality of Virac, the defending champion of Pantomina contest. So tingnan natin guys kung gaano sila ulit gagaling for this year and how they're gonna defend over their crown and their title as last year's champions of Padadyaw sa Tinampo. This year, okay, kaya pa ba nilang i-defend ang kanilang championship. So it's a challenge for the Municipality of Virac, the capital town of the province of Catanduanes. Again guys, this is the Catanduanes version of Pantomina. Pantomina is a folk dance of the Bicolandia. Alam natin yan sa mga Bicol noon, but we are showing you the Catanduanes version where it is patterned or mimicking the courtship of a rooster to a hen. So that's why meron sa mga ganito. Diba? Diba ganun ang rooster and hen. We gotta move on doon sa likod to also check on the performances ng mga nasa likuran. Today mga panaba, right after their performances on the street dito sa Tinampo, we're gonna have them do their performance on the dance showdown that's happening on the Capitol ground right after this dance parade. Again, for all those who were not able to check on me on my YouTube channel, go ahead and follow me on YouTube. It's Happy Islander TV. YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. That's the performance of the defending champion. This is Municipality of Virac. Follow me on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook.